Hello everyone, so in this video we will learn how to post a message to Google Hangouts chat directly from Google Sheets. So the idea is that whenever a new data is added in Google Sheets, automatically there will be a message on Google Hangouts chat. But the issue here is there is no direct connection between Google Sheets and Google Hangouts chat. So that is why I will be using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Sheets and Google Hangouts chat. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is a person without any technical background can perform this little integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet and this is my Google Hangout chat account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make an entry in this particular cell of my Google Sheet, and then I'm going to check do we have a message in this Google Hangout chat account. So let me just add a message. The message is integration between Mac and Windows not possible. Okay, so this is the message. So let's have a look. Do we have the same message in this particular Google chat account? So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, it has given this beep sound. Basically, a new message has arrived. So let us explore. Do we have the same message? That is the integration between Mac and Windows not possible. Okay, so let's have a look. This is the one. Okay, yeah, we do have the message integration between Mac and Windows not possible. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send that data from Google Sheets to Google Hangout chat account? So basically here we are using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that has integrated Google Sheets and Google Hangout chat. Now before I show you the steps, how about I show you a small perspective how this little integration is going to work. Okay, so this is how this integration is going to work. In the first step, you're going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect with help of webhook URL. You're just going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and paste it into Google Sheets. Now in the second step, you're going to send the data from Google Sheets which will be collected in Pabbly Connect. Now in the third and the final step, you're going to send this data to Google Hangouts chat to send a message on Google Hangouts chat. So now we have a perfect data flow between Google Sheets and Google Hangouts chat. Now the best part here is once you build this workflow, there is no need for you to worry, because whenever a new data is entered in Google Sheets, all that data will be seen as a message in Google Hangouts chat. Awesome. Okay, so in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, pabbly.com. So you have an obvious question, why the hell are we working in incognito mode? Well, the answer is very simple. If you're working with Google Sheets and have multiple Gmail accounts, it is always advisable that you work in incognito mode. Otherwise, there will be a problem of authentication. Okay, so this is the website pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so I will be straight away directed to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. So I'm planning to give it as Google Sheets to Google Hangouts chat. Google Hangouts chat. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And straight away, just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we want to send the data from Google Sheets. So in the choose app, let me just add Google Sheets. Google Sheets it is. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new spreadsheet row? So the essence is we just want to first integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now these are the steps we have to follow to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now first of all, first create a Google Sheet and then we are going to integrate it. Okay, so I'm just going to create a Google Sheet in front of you. The whole idea is that I'm just going to show you every step from scratch, okay, so that you can understand it properly. So we are going with the blank. Now I'm going to give a name to this sheet, new message or something, new messages. So this is the name of my sheet, new messages. And let me just add content. So this is the column name. Okay, so as you can see, there is only one column, that is column A, and column A is our last data entry column. Okay, there is no such thing as column B, C, D, or E, F, G, F. There is only one column, that is column A. So to begin the integration process of this Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect, just click on add-ons. So when you click on add-ons, you will find an add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. But since you are beginning fresh, Pabbly Connect Webhooks might not have been installed yet. So first of all, just click on Get Add-ons. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, Google Workspace Marketplace opens up in front of you. In the search, just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This one. As you can see, Pabbly Connect Webhooks is already installed in my system. Now, all you have to do is just click on this button and Pabbly Connect Webhooks will be installed in your system also. Now remember this, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat this again, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. So I'm assuming that you have installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks and also refreshed your Google Sheet. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on Initial Setup. So this is the window of Initial Setup. So here we have to fill two fields, the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. Now this is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. So easy. Now we have to mention the trigger column. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. In our case, the last data entry column is column A, so I have mentioned the trigger column as column A. I'm sorry. Okay, and straight away just click on Submit. Okay, so when you click on Submit, the window definitely disappears, but there's a small thing that you have to do. Go back to Add-ons, clicking on Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on Send on Event. So this will ensure that doesn't matter which row it is, whenever column A is filled, it will keep on sending the data to Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is now ready to receive the data. It is already showing it is waiting for the data. So let me just make a dummy entry. So the name of this entry will be, let's say, Hello Everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, so the entry has been made in this particular column. So let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with the Google Sheet, has it captured the data? Yes, we do have the data. The content is everyone, hello everyone, and the row index is 2. This is because there is only one row, that is row index 2. Okay, so we have got the data. Now we have to send this as a message on Google Hangout chat. And this can be done by introducing Google Chat in our action window, Google Hangouts chat. Okay, so now in the action event, how about make it as send a message? Oh, I'm sorry, create a message. Just simply click on connect. Okay, the connection has been made. So we have to enter the message. Okay, we will start with the easy one. We have to fill the webhook URL, also the message. We will start with the easy one. So we will deal with the message. So this is the message, hello everyone. So I'm just going to click here. And this is the message, hello everyone, and we have mapped it. So easy. Now we have to enter the chat ID. Chat webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, all you have to do is just go to the particular group, or this is, for instance, this is the room called as testing cancellation. Okay, but definitely you should have an idea that it will only work if this group is built by you. Okay, you have the admin privileges. So you just click here and you just click on manage webhooks. Okay, here you will find manage webhooks. Click here. As you can see, I have already built 2 webhooks. Now for your consideration, I'm going to add one more. So let me just click here and let me just add the name Google Sheets. So this will be the name of our bot. Okay, Google Sheets. Let me just click on save. Okay, so we have added the webhook, okay, called as Google Sheets. So let me just, let me just get the webhook. Okay, I just forgot to get the webhook. So this is the webhook. Let me just copy this. Okay, and let me just remove that. And let me just paste it here. So this is the webhook URL that you want. Okay, so let me just check, did we enter the correct URL? Okay, so once again, let me just go here, click on manage webhooks. Okay, Google Sheet, and this was the one. Okay, so we have definitely copied. Okay, yeah, we do have the correct webhook URL. Okay, so we have the message. All we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request to send this message to this particular room, that is testing cancellation. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Response is a positive one, and we do have the message, hello everyone. Excellent. So let me just make one more entry, and you will thoroughly understand what's going on. So let me just add a content, let's say blue. Okay, this is the content, or let's go with something professional. Tesla is awesome. Build integration. Okay, just a random content. So let's have a look. Do we have the content? Yes, as you can see, we have the message. Tesla is awesome, build integration. So the presence of this message indicates that we have a successful integration between Google Sheets and Google Hangouts chat. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Hangouts chat. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Sheets and Google Hangouts chat. Awesome. Now the interesting thing that I have to mention is all you have to do is just create this workflow for once, and whenever a new data is entered in this particular Google Sheet, it will create as a message, it will send a message on Google Hangouts chat. Awesome. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.